Sleep is an essential thing to be functioning, healthy human being. And research looks into how sleep helps us maintain clean brains. But what does it mean? And why is that important? Way back in 2013, when a study of mouse brains found that while those furry little random sleep, neurotic waste products got swept away. Some kind of cleansing crew comes in overnight and gets rid of built-up stuff like beta-amyloid. Beta-amyloid, that sticky peptide that can aggregate into plaques and disrupt brain function. Amyloid plaques are highly associated with the occurrence of diseases like Alzheimer's. Amyloid hypothesis suggests that amyloid plaques could be the primary cause of that devastating disease. So, it's real nice that your brain can get rid of it while you sleep. So, there's relation while the mice slept. Their lymphatic systems opened up. This let in a big wash of cerebrospinal fluid or CSF, which seemed to cleanse these waste products away. And you know, CSF is a watery clear substance that surrounds your brain and spinal cord and acts kinda like a little cushion to protect your brain and provide it with nutrients. A team at Boston University took this 2013 finding and wanted to know exactly how. In this new study they published in Science, the researchers delivered into what about sleep was so special. So, why did a deep sleep state in particular allow for these changes in the brain? The team got human participants to fall asleep inside an MRI machine, which seems like quite a feat in itself, and which let the team measure both the blood oxygen levels in the participant's brain and show the flux of cerebrospinal fluid. They also measured the electrical currents in subjects' brains using an EEG cup. The results gave the team a pretty clear answer, one that came in waves. We've been finding out more over the past several years about the phases our brains go through while we sleep, and how those phases are essential to information processing and memory formation. And it turns out it's not just during REM sleep that our brains are consolidating information and accommodating it to our long-term memory, but they're doing it during non-REM sleep too. In humans, these two states of sleep, called REM or rapid eye movement and non-REM or non-rapid eye movement, alternate throughout the night. Non-REM sleep is divided into 3 stages, and that third stage is our deepest state of sleep called slow wave sleep. During slow wave sleep, electrical activity slows down and syncs up. So, our neurons start to fire in sync with one another at quite a slow frequency that neuroscientists called delta waves. And while slow wave sleep has been shown to be essential to memory information, this latest study is the first to demonstrate exactly how these slow waves keep our brain clean and healthy. From all of their measurements, the Boston team saw that during slow wave sleep, the brain was actually being washed by waves of cerebrospinal fluid, like a free nighttime spa for your brain. And that means there's empty time in between activity when those neurons aren't firing. They need less oxygen, so less blood is flowing to the brain. But CSF comes and fills in that extra space. So this pattern in CSF flow is intrinsically linked to neuron firing. The neurons light up, the neurons go dark, the CSF comes in and out. That's why it's very relaxing. This study not only found a direct relationship between electrical activity in the brain and this CSF cleaning mechanism, but also confirmed that an increase in CSF is linked to increase in clearing of neurotoxic waste products like beta-amyloid. This indicates that sleep and slow-wave sleep in particular is essential to clearing out all the junks in your brain. Your brain garbage, if you will, and the thing is we still don't understand a whole lot about neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. We know that we see these buildups of amyloid plaques. We know that a protein called tau causes damage to neurons, but so far, our forays into developing treatment that target those variables but haven't been very fruitful. But knowing sleep can sweep toxins in our brain, this will be helpful in preventing ourselves from brain diseases. So that's why, if you care others, share this video so that they will be more aware about the importance of sleeping.